It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial on how I did these box braids, and it's low-key been like a week and a half since I've done these braids, so they're a little old and I'm just now doing the intro because I forgot to do an intro and outro when I recorded this video, but I still decided that I want to put it out there. The braids are still cute. I don't know, I get a lot of compliments on them, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna still put this video out there. But next time I do like one of these braid tutorial videos, I'm gonna make sure that I get it when it's freshly done. So as you can see, I tried to put a heart in my head on this side. I don't know, can y'all see that? Hopefully y'all can see that, but I was trying to be a little creative. This one a little crooked, but I tried. So I don't know, hopefully you guys like it. I think it's okay, and I low-key just found out I've been doing these knotless box braids wrong this whole time, and that's why my braids never come out completely straight, because I was braiding it wrong. But I'm gonna still put this tutorial up for y'all, but next time I'm gonna show y'all how to do it the right way. Y'all can still do it this way if it's easier for you, because they still cute, and I've been rocking my braids like this for over a year, like maybe 2 years I've been doing my braids like this. So yeah, I curled the end with some, I think they call it perm rods. I don't know, I tried to get that footage in here, but I was recording it on my phone and I thought that it was in the camera, but the whole time it wasn't in the camera. Something was blocking my camera, so I couldn't really get that on there for y'all. But I used these, hold on, I used these. I don't know what these called, but these are what I use. I want to like get up and show y'all and stuff, but I'm in my work uniform because I'm about to go to work, so I don't really want to put the uniform in the camera. Let me see, I could probably like put it to the back and stand up a little. I'm really disappointed that I didn't get like it fresh, but it still looks good. I put like the rubber bands right here, but my hair is sweated out now. I'm gonna still be keeping these braids in for a little while, but whatever, I'm just rambling at this point. Let's just get right into the video. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma just hop in right here. So we gonna split the hair into 3 sections, and you're gonna kind of cross them over how you would do regular braids, and then take a piece of the fake hair, whatever you want to call it, and like just put it between your pointer finger and your thumb. Yeah, your pointer finger and your thumb. Y'all kind of see me do it here. So this is basically what I'm gonna be doing throughout the whole video, and I decided that I'm probably not gonna talk that much in this video, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch the process. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break. Also, y'all make sure you continue to gel the hair down, because you don't want your hair, your real hair, like sticking out of the braids, because that will happen if it isn't flat enough. And y'all see me just still adding hair like on this part as well, and just continue to braid. I think I added like 4 to 5 pieces of hair to each braid. I don't know, like I'm not a professional, so some of them may vary, like sometimes it was 6. The drugs that give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean. The Xannies help me slow, the leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat now. Callin', yeah, she callin', your bitch got me on the speed down. Down through the rest, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. Just grab me in the 6, who can I trust? I never know now. Sprite is extra dark, now my doggy in the dog pound. They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the calm down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always think that
10 toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no house, so don't approach me on some free shit. They just by myself, so why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Money and the power, fuck respect, cause I don't need it. Driving to the west, I popped the bean and now I'm speeding. Know some people in the six that diss me for no reason. Sending shots, they sending shots on road, I never see them. Taking L's, they taking L's, I never wanna be them. Got your bitch beside me, she just asked me what a bean is. Put a number in my phone and you know how to lead. Driving solo, I'm just running through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again.
I would have showed y'all me trying to part this heart in my head, but it was so difficult for me to even put it in there. On top of me not even knowing like what I'm doing, so I just left that part out because the video would have been way longer and I ain't had time for that for real. So yeah, just explaining that part.
I'm gonna hit it if she beat now. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch got me on the speed down. Down through the racks, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. Just grimy in the six, who can I trust? I never know now. Sprite is extra dark, now my doggy in the dog pound. They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the calm down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always take their toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again.
When I'm getting dressed, doing my hair and my makeup, I swear I be making the funniest faces, y'all. And I don't even be knowing I'm making the faces. So when y'all be watching me throughout these videos, don't mind me, because I know my faces be so crazy.
My teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no house, so don't approach me on some free shit. They just by myself, so why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Money and the power, fuck respect, cause I
With the top part of my hair, I did the little rubber band method. I actually did it on the sides too, but y'all can barely see them because I put braids on the row on top of that. But I basically just gelled down the hair. You're going to want to make sure like you extra gel it down, because once your hair starts sweating out, like that's exactly what it's going to do, sweat out. And with the gel, it kind of keep it more intact. So yeah, gel it down, use your edge brush or whatever you want to use. Get the naps out, get the kinks out, whatever you want to call it, and rubber band that boy up. And then you're going to connect that to the one behind it and then the one behind that.
Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel
After
like
I
myself
rubber banded,
again.
I just
Roll
braided
me
the
up some dope
ends
and
how
I
I
feel
did the
like
rest of the
myself again.
braids.
I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used
Thank
to
you
be
guys for watching this video. Like I said in the beginning, I did not get an outro, but y'all see how my hair came out. So make sure you share this video with your friends, anybody you know that's trying to learn how to do box braids on their own, or whatever the case may be. Just share this video, you know, so we can grow the family and whatnot. Give it a thumbs up if you like that. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you made it this far. You know, you're watching me anyway, so you may as well go ahead and subscribe. So I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3. Make it feel like it, make it wanna